So let's see together how to ask the name of a person. So you will see that actually there are not a lot of options because the question is simple, and the first one is, what is your name? But remember that in French we will have to go for the vous form, because I assume that in that case when you ask the name of somebody, it's because you don't know this person. If you don't know this person, go for the vous, the polite form. Comment vous appelez-vous? And so the whole thing goes like, comment vous appelez-vous? So as you can see, I want to be extremely polite, and I want to be like, I use a nice form because I am switching first the verb appeler, and then I'm putting the vous, the subject, right after. Remember that, well, it's a grammar thing, but then we've got 2 times vous because the verb vous, it's a reflexive verb. If you've got no clue what I'm talking about, then I've been making a video covering this reflexive verb, so I would advise you to watch them or to watch it. So, comment vous appelez-vous? Okay, so this one is really, really polite, really nice. Second option, we keep the same order. We will raise the voice in the end to make it clear that it's a question. Vous vous appelez comment? So, what is your name? Vous vous appelez comment? Vous vous appelez comment? And the last one, what is your name? So it would be, quel est votre nom? Quel est votre nom? Quel est votre nom? So I've been keeping this votre because in that case I assume that you don't know the person, and in most of the cases you want to use the polite form, so votre, okay? If you are young, if you clearly want to use this you, this informal you, which is totally okay. Once again, it's always according to the context. You need to feel when it's appropriate to use the vous or the tu. But after that, it's up to you. So if you want to use the tu, so the less formal form, it will be quel est ton, so remember, T-O-N, ton nom. Okay? Quel est ton nom? But in that case, let's imagine that you want to be polite and you want to be maybe a bit formal. Quel est votre nom? Quel est votre nom? Merci.